We're here to witness the thrilling off-road race between our top 3 officers for the prestigious trophy. With 3 vehicles and 2 terrains, this race will be a real challenge. Now, let's choose your vehicle.
I'll choose the round shape. So curious.
You've just got Crab Walk Truck, Alex.
I'm ready for the challenge.
Round 1, Orbeez Pool.
Wow! 3, 2, 1, go!
These Orbeez are bigger than I thought.
Crab Walk Truck. Pass.
I'll take the square one.
Me, the triangle.
I'm gonna win.
The trophy is mine.
Bella, it's your turn.
What an easy game for me.
Underwater car. Fail.
How could that be?
Your turn, David.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yeah! My wheels can easily roll over the Orbeez.
Yeah! Shrimp Walk Truck. Pass. Round 2, Rocks and Sand. Alex, this is your chance to be the champion.
Rocky Road is no joke.
Oh no!
My car can't move at all.
Crab Walk Truck. Fails. Here's your last chance, Bella.
I must be very careful. Oh no!
Underwater car. Fail.
What a tough challenge.
Yeah!
Come on, just a little more. I'm gonna make it.
Shrimp Walk Truck. Pass. Our best officer today is David.
Bravo! Bravo! Bravo!
In the ocean prison, a dangerous thief has been captured.
Don't move, prisoners. Go quickly. Don't waste my time. What are you waiting for? Get into your cell.
He is trapped in an unbreakable cell, 4 walls, 1 bed, and no freedom here.
Huh?
He tries everything, from climbing the ceiling to knocking on the brick, but no luck.
Oh!
Oh no, looks like he's found a way out.
A few moments later.
Huh? Why does the water spill out? Huh?
The thief takes down an officer, disguises himself, and tries to slip out as a cop.
Take off your hat and show your identity card, please. Off you go. Hey, comrade, let me finish you up.
The thief nervously shows a fake ID, but he can't trick the guard.
Take off your hat. We heard gunshots. You heard wrong.
The thief finally reaches the shore and jumps onto his boat, ready to flee.
I have anticipated this. Yeah.
The vegetables have been delivered.
So dirty. I need to clean them all. Let's wash these carrots first. Awesome. It's already cleaned up. Hurry, I need to clean the cucumber and corn too. It still has some stains. I have to rinse them with water. I'll upgrade the process by adding a wash machine. Let's wash them with a washing machine. The cucumber is already clean. Next, I'll wash the corn. No more dirt on the corn. Wow, there's a lot of dirty tomatoes and cauliflower in the fridge. I also need to clean them too for the meal. The water after washing is so dirty. My veggies are all clean. Let's get cooking.
Oh.
Huh? Daddy, are you okay?
It's so hot. All the trees are wilting.
So great!
Let's help your dad.
We need to build a pipe to bring water.
Huh?
Thank you, my son. Can you help with my field? Okay. Thank you so much.